Introduction. Welcome to our video on implementing a GPT model from scratch, where we will guide you through coding a transformer-based architecture designed for text generation. From designing the LLM architecture to generating coherent text, coding an LLM architecture, a GPT model begins with its backbone, the large language model, LLM, architecture. This structure comprises stacked transformer layers that process sequences in parallel. Each layer includes a self-attention mechanism and a feed-forward network, allowing the model to understand token relationships efficiently, normalizing activations with layer normalization to stabilize training. Layer normalization is applied. It standardizes activations across each layer, ensuring the model doesn't suffer from exploding or vanishing gradients. This normalization improves model convergence and ensures smooth learning across layers. Implementing a feed-forward network with GELU activations. Transformers use feed-forward networks for depth and complexity. By using GELU activations, the model introduces smooth, nonlinear transitions. This activation function provides a performance boost compared to traditional ReLU, making the network adept at capturing subtle patterns in data. Adding shortcut connections, or residual connections, are indispensable in deep networks. They allow information to bypass layers, preventing issues like gradient vanishing. In a GPT model, these connections ensure that early layer information influences deeper layers, maintaining consistency in token representations. Connecting attention and linear layers in a transformer block. A transformer block is the building block of GPT models. It combines self-attention mechanisms and feed-forward networks. Linear layers within the block connect these components, projecting token embeddings into the required dimensionality. This integration ensures the model processes tokens effectively and outputs meaningful representations. Coding the GPT model. Integrating all components into a unified GPT model is the next step. By stacking multiple transformer blocks, incorporating layer normalization, and using shortcut connections, we create a robust architecture. Defining the input-output relationship and optimizing hyperparameters ensures the model performs efficiently. Generating text. Finally, the magic happens: text generation. The GPT model generates text token by token, predicting each word based on the context provided. For example, when given the prompt "once upon a time," the model predicts the most likely next token iteratively to construct a coherent narrative. Techniques like beam search and temperature scaling allow us to control the creativity and fluency of the generated text. Conclusion: the GPT model's ability to generate human-like text stems from its meticulously designed transformer architecture. By understanding the building blocks, from self-attention to feed-forward networks, you can unlock the potential of GPT models for applications like chatbots, summarization, and creative writing.